watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, and to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, I am so excited to share with you this really great and super affordable. I was honestly like really shocked and also inspired by how great priced this wig is for being 100% virgin Remy hair. Company called SOGOOD Hair. The name alone, I'll take it, right? So here is the product that I will be showcasing today. And also something that was a super duper bonus is that when I got the wig, it came with mink eyelashes. I mean, how exciting is that? Oh my gosh, so in love. I mean, eyelashes for me are life. So I was really excited that they came with a really gorgeous pair of mink eyelashes. Show you, I actually put her on a head to give her some justice that she deserves. So she is a 20-inch, look at that beautiful body wave. Oh my gosh, I love a body waved wig. So she's also in the natural color, and also natural color black. Even though I would probably think this maybe like a 1B being this natural color anyway. So like I said, it's 20 inches. This is 130% density. And what's super amazing about this wig, also it's a 13x4, I'll show you that as well. But it has a pre-plucked hairline. I mean, look at that. It is really great how pre-plucked, and also it does have the baby hairs already. But the beautifully plucked hairline will really save on you customizing your wig when you get it. So she's basically almost like really ready to go. Really great with that. So let's talk about the inside of the wig and the construction. So she is, like I said, a 13x4. So look at that really great lace all up there in front. She does have a nude to light lace right here. And then also, she does have some combs. She has four combs. She's got two on the side, one in the middle, and then one in the back with the fasteners. So let me just show you more of this cap. She has a medium wig cap, so this would be large head friendly. And also what's really great about this wig, being that it is human hair, is that the knots are actually double knotted, and they are lightly bleached. So that's really great that they're already lightly bleached for you. And of course, the double knotting means that it is almost like the hairs will stay right in place, which is super fantastic. So the actual texture of the hair, it is super soft. As you can, I don't know if you can really see, but she's shiny, she's very soft. I wish my hair would be just as beautifully soft and healthy looking like this wig, is that all the scales are processed to the one side, which is really nice. So let's put this girl on. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for that. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. So I'm gonna be putting this on literally for the first time with you. So I'm really excited to put this on for the first time. Okay, so I put my wigs on front to back. Wow, wow. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous piece. Let me just back this up a little bit. Wow. She is super light because she's Remy hair, and I love that. I absolutely love when it's super light, almost feels like I'm not wearing anything at all. I'm just throwing this on, but of course I would fix this wig cap a little better for if I was gonna be wearing it out. So let's just kind of play around with it and see what we can come up with. Let's kind of like part it. Let's get a little volume. Oh my gosh, yes, this is great. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just love this look. I love this look. I love a body wave. I love how fun, light, and pretty this is. I really like the length of this. I like that it's not overwhelming with the 130% density. This also comes in 150% density, so you're able to get a little bit more fuller if you'd like. Also, the sizes that this wig actually comes in, as this is the 20-inch, it comes in 8 to 24 inches. So it's really great that you can almost like really customize the exact length and density that you'd like for your own wig. Something really great with this company is something to note with shipping and honestly getting your wig on time and quickly, that they actually ship UPS and it literally will arrive in 5 days. This company stands behind their products, so the quality is guaranteed. So that's also something really nice to know, that they stand behind their product, and honestly, wouldn't you want to buy something from someone that actually guarantees? Really feel good about making the purchase knowing that they stand behind it. So just a little something to talk about, because sometimes it's the little things when you're making a purchase that makes all the world. And I love a great deal, and I love when, if there is an issue, I can always reach out to the company and they can correct it or find a solution. Honestly, I love it. So I want to thank you all for watching. I honestly so appreciate each and every one of you and all your amazing comments, because let's empower each other to do great things in this life and have great hair while we do it, right? And so this wig right here is from SOGOOD Hair. I'll leave the links down below for everything. And of course, reach out to me on Instagram, leave me a comment down below, and of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a beautiful body waved wig, wear it. And remember, let's empower each other every single day of our lives to just be fabulous, because life is short. Wear wigs, and I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.